Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome, and if you are a subscriber or viewer, welcome back. Over 3 years ago, my family and I decided to change our life. I am a headmaster of a religious school, and the idea of saving the world and preserving the world, God's creation, and giving a better world to our children is a great value that I live by and that I teach. And over 3 years ago, when electric cars became available and affordable, my family and I decided to change our lifestyle. We own 3 electric cars: the 2018 Model 3, Tesla Model 3, the 2016 Chevy Volt, and the 2015 Nissan Leaf. And in addition, we also installed a solar panel on our house, which produces around 70% of our electricity. It has been one of the best decisions that we have done as family. And at that time, I decided to start this Electric Israeli channel, which grew tremendously with a lot of followers and subscribers and fans. And my motto is just like the way I teach in my classroom, is to bring my teaching into life, to real practical application, not just sit in a studio and make a video and preach. I don't preach, I teach, and I teach by example. So I make videos every single day. My motto is change the world one electric car at a time, one solar panel at a time, to preserve our world and to give a better world for our children, because this global warming is real. There's no going back if we don't do something about it. So it's very important to me. I've been so successful in, I don't want to call it convincing, but inspiring a lot of people to adopt electric cars, to adopt solar panels, and to change their lifestyle, because electric cars are better, they are faster, they are available, they are affordable, whether it's a new car or a used car. The Tesla Model 3 is an amazing car that I can drive everywhere. My Chevy Volt can give you a range of 50 miles or 60 miles, which will serve most of your purposes. And if you need to go farther, it's a hybrid car, consumes very little gasoline. And my pure electric Nissan Leaf 2015 is a commuter car that I use 95% of my days. My wife drives the Tesla, I drive the Leaf, and my older son drives the Volt. And this is the lifestyle that we have adopted, and my job is to inspire you to do the same thing. So I meet people, I go on the road, I take the lessons to real life. I test range, I test acceleration, speed, safety, self-driving, autopilot, cruise control, data. I do it going out there, driving literally all around the United States, and bringing lessons for you to think about and hopefully to adapt. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. I need your help by becoming a patron and or shop on the Electric Israeli store. Or if you want to buy a Tesla, there is a Tesla link that I have below, my link that you can use, and it will benefit you. So whatever you can do to help out, that will be great. But the best thing that you can do is to start transitioning from fossil fuel to electric, and that will be the best reward for me. So thank you everybody. If you have any question or comment, put it below, and I'll see you tomorrow with another episode, because the Electric Israeli channel produces videos every single day from the road. Bye everybody.